What is up, party people? Welcome to Conway, Arkansas. Founded as a railroad town, this city is home to University of Central Arkansas and a cute, bustling downtown area. Here in Conway, we tackled our second escape room of the tour and beat the clock with almost 10 minutes to spare. We also got a great deal on a delicious meal at Los Tres Potrillos, where we got all-you-can-eat enchiladas for $6. I did not really beat the buffet here, so to speak, as I only ate like 3 enchiladas, but it was delicious. Here we played the Donald W. Reynolds Performance Hall on the campus of University of Central Arkansas. This state-of-the-art theater opened its doors in the year 2000 to a sold-out performance from the late, great Ray Charles, and it seats over 1,200. For our one-night-only performance here, JM and Brenna weren't feeling too well, so they had to call out, which meant our incredible dance captain, Zoe Unkovich, orchestrated a reblock of the show, so everyone had to make some minor adjustments to ensure that we gave this audience an exciting performance. So, Zoe swung on for the role of Waitress number 1, and I swung on for the role of Lonny. This performance was also made a bit trickier by the fact that we were playing a B show here in Conway. Sometimes our full set doesn't fit onto the stage for the venue that we come into, so we have to make some minor adjustments to ensure that the most important parts of the show remain intact and we don't sacrifice the integrity of the show. It also means that everything's just a little bit different, which isn't really a big deal if you've done 100 performances of the show. But when it's only your 4th performance as that character, things get a little trickier. In the end, the cast pulled through though. We delivered an exciting performance, and the audience gave us some great reactions. Thanks so much for having us, Conway. You were a blast. Next stop, St. Louis, Missouri. If you've been there, leave a comment below and give us some recommendations of what we should check out. Thanks so much for coming out. Chase your dreams, and cheers.